This 2025 Winnebago Revel 44E is a Class B RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 19 feet 7 inches in length and features a Overland Grey, BR Oak, interior, sleeps 2, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, refrigerator, smoke detector, skylight, LP detector, stovetop burner, external shower, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2025 Winnebago Revel 44E is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.